What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. You guys know the deal. Go ahead and subscribe. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, so hopefully you guys can help me out. So in today's video, we have a Z1 package, and by the title of the video, you guys already know. I already took out my old intakes, and they were the K&N Typhoon intakes. They were short ram intakes, so I was trying to switch it out and see if these would make any difference. I was gonna go with Admin Tuning's intakes, but they were a little over my price budget, so I had to settle with the next best thing, which was the Z1 intakes. I'm gonna take everything off. You guys have seen me take off the bumper so many times because of the headlights, but we're gonna get to this and it should be a pretty cool video. So what you get in the box, you do get a set of instructions, which is going to be very helpful to installing these. I believe these are the filters. Yep. Right there. Comes with 2 filters. Pretty nice. Some nice quality. You do have an option of which color hoses you want, and I, of course, went with red, so that's gonna look super dope in there. Same with the intake hose, so those are gonna look pretty sick. I know they do have options of blue, black, and red. So the coupler, that's gonna be red too. So if you choose red, all the intake piping is gonna be red. So in the bag you do have a couple bolts. Not really sure what these are for yet, but we'll see. You do get 10, I believe, 10 hose clamps. So these are gonna be helpful. I did have an option to get a free item, so I opted for the lanyard. It's a cool little lanyard. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it, but maybe we can do a little giveaway of a Z1 lanyard. If you do want it, comment down below, subscribe, and leave a like on the video, and I will select someone to win this, and I'll ship it to you for free. So go down below. Also came with 2 stickers. I don't know if I'm gonna put it on the car. I'm not sponsored, so I don't know. I don't see why I would. Maybe on my computer. So who knows? Let's do this. Comment down below, like the video, and subscribe, and I will send you a lanyard and a Z1 sticker for free. So just comment down below something about the video, something random, and you'll be entered into the Z1 giveaway. Also, it is very hot and humid. There's like a tropical storm coming, and I'm trying to get this over with. I am like drenched in sweat already. For the piping that's gonna come out of the manifold, I got the black, so it's gonna look so sick with the black and red. That's like my whole theme of the car right now. So these are pretty sick, and it's like metal. So that's it for what's in the box.
What's in the box? Frosted Flakes, damn.
Now I'm gonna get to installing these, and it should be pretty quick. Hope the instructions are pretty straightforward and we're able to do this pretty quick. So let's get to the video. And so first we're gonna start with these, which are called the silicone reducers. And these are gonna go to the manifold. And then you're gonna need 2 hose clamps with these. Look at that. So I pretty much already did the first several steps, so it saved me a lot of time. Now I'm just gonna continue with installing the intakes, and we should be done pretty soon. So let's get to that, and it should be a pretty quick install. That's kind of weird, but okay. Now, you have to get your breather hose, and they're pretty easy to know which one goes on which side, and it tells you in the instructions. If you need their instructions, it's gonna be on the website, so it's not like it's just, if you order it, you'll get it. The one that looks kind of like a question mark is gonna be the one for the passenger side, and this kind of weird S shape kind of thing is gonna be for the driver's side. So I might have to go upstairs and get the 4 clamps that are on the OEM intakes, or the other intakes that I have. This is why I need a garage, because I always have to go upstairs, and I live on the 6th floor and I park on the 2nd floor. Or I might just continue and bring those down after I'm done, but I do have to get those clamps and install them. So yeah, so the way you're gonna put this breather hose is exactly like a question mark. So it's gonna go down like this. Like I said, I do have to go back upstairs to get the clamps, but I'm gonna have to do that when I'm done. I'm pretty sure I'll be able to take them off and put them back on, but you do need the clamps on before, so it just makes things easier. Something goes wrong when I install something. So you're gonna put this one like this, and this one I'm not 100% sure, but we'll figure it out. This one's pretty much just gonna go down like this, so the Z1 symbol is gonna be down, and you're just gonna put that in there, and it should be the way it goes. If it's not, I'll let you guys know, but from what I see, it's 100% correct. So your PCV hose should look like that on this side, and on this side it's gonna look exactly like a question mark. So I got the MAF sensors into the intake piping. You want to make sure, you probably won't see it, but on the MAF sensors there's like a hole, and you want to make sure that's pointing towards the air filters. So they're facing the other way and you don't see any holes in them, flip it and it should be good. So now we should be good to installing these. Hopefully I don't have trouble putting these on the silicone, because that's where the silicone spray would come in handy. Let's see how it does without that, and hopefully it works out. So we're gonna do the driver's side first, and I hope it slides in with no problem. There is no issue sliding that in.
That's what she said. Or he said.
And so, you don't need silicone spray. After you get that intake piping in there, you're gonna find the L hose and put it through and attach it to the pipe. So let me figure out which one's which one's driver, because I'm not really sure, but should be easy to figure out. So the L hose is gonna look like this for the driver's side. This is gonna be for the passenger side, which is pretty straightforward. I'm pretty sure the Z1 logos are supposed to be up because it matches perfect, because it's going to be right under here. But the way you're going to run these is run it through, you're going to run it through that hole right there, and it should fit perfectly. The only reason why I would want to cut this is because I don't want it to be pinched in, but for now I'm just gonna run it like that and see how it does. I don't think you're supposed to really make any modifications for the Z1 intakes, but we're gonna get that through there and see how bad it's pinched together. How how is that supposed to fit in there? It should fit in there. Make sure you be careful, because I'm pretty sure this is your AC line. So the camera's in the way, so I'm gonna move you guys and I'll show you guys how it looks when I'm done. I figured out how to take this out of there. You guys can see that right there. All you have to do is take off a couple bolts. I don't really see a lot of people taking this off. Not sure even if I need it, but it looks like I don't need it. It's nothing important, but all you have to do is take off this bolt right here, and there's going to be another bolt right here. It's a 10 mil. You take them off and just put them back on. Not sure, but it's going to make it a lot easier to go in through there. Show you guys how that looks, because I was struggling putting that in when that was in there. So I'll show you guys the final result. So now all I have to do is put in the filter to the open end right there, and we should be all done with the driver's side. Then I'm gonna do the passenger side and probably do a time lapse, because it's gonna be the same exact thing. So let's get to it. This is a pretty simple install with the directions. They're pretty good on how they did the directions. So I'm gonna get this done and we should be done with the install of the Z1 intakes. You're gonna have two bolts right here. I already loosened them up, And they do provide replacement bolts for this one and this one. So you're gonna take these off because they do pinch into the intakes, and I don't know, it could be bad for the intakes, but we're gonna replace these. Pretty sure that's what the red bag was for, because there's 2 bolts in there. So I'm guessing it's those. These right in here should fit right in there. Yep. Perfect. And then we're gonna put the other one on the other side, and we should be done. Perfect. So just like that, I am done installing the Z1 intakes, and for the most part it was pretty easy, and it looks super nice in the engine bay because it has the whole black and red theme already. So these added that, just that extra sauce. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe. We're trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, and I know we can do it. So with your help, go down there, subscribe, hit the bell if you want, comment, like, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.